Good morning, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the architect within unlocking the human holobiont. We'll take a deep dive into the incredible power of your microbiome, uncovering its profound influence on your metabolic health, neurological well-being, and even the secrets to anti-aging. This isn't just theory, our insights are grounded in the latest 2024 to 2025 microbiome and metabolic research, bringing you the most current understanding of your inner world. For years, we operated under an old myth, suggesting that bacteria outnumbered our human cells by a staggering 10 to 1. But thanks to the new science emerging between 2016 and 2025, we now understand the quantitative reality. We are an equal partnership. It's closer to a 1.3 to 1 ratio, about 30 trillion human cells to 38 trillion microbial cells. We are, in fact, a holobiont, a single, co-evolved unit of life. This isn't just a quaint idea, it's a foundational truth for understanding your health and vitality. Have you ever wondered about the true mechanism of cravings? It turns out, your gut plays a starring role. This is the essence of the gut-brain axis. When certain microbes, like Bacteroides vulgaris, produce helpful compounds, they send a stop signal to your brain, specifically to the hypothalamus. This signal tells your body, you've had enough sugar. But when there's an imbalance, or dysbiosis, this crucial stop signal isn't sent. This can lead to unchecked biological cravings, making it incredibly difficult to resist those sweet temptations. Understanding this mechanism empowers us to manage our dietary choices more effectively. Often called the second brain, your gut is intimately connected to your mood and well-being. This is where the fascinating field of psychobiotics and mood regulation comes in. Your gut is a serotonin factory, producing over 90% of your body's supply, which is critical for a balanced mood. Specific bacterial strains also produce GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that eases anxiety, and remarkably, certain lactobacillus strains can stimulate oxytocin, promoting not only a better mood, but also accelerating physical healing. By nurturing your gut ecosystem, we're discovering powerful, natural ways to support mental health and resilience. The metabolic engine in your gut has a profound impact, especially on conditions like type 2 diabetes. We now know that diabetes is characterized by a specific microbial signature, often showing low diversity and an overgrowth of opportunistic pathogens. A key issue is what we call metabolic endotoxemia. When your gut barrier becomes compromised, a leaky gut allows toxins to enter your bloodstream. This triggers systemic inflammation, which directly impairs your insulin sensitivity, leading to insulin resistance. Understanding this link opens new avenues for managing and even preventing type 2 diabetes. Let's talk about the gut-skin axis and the roots of what we call inflammaging. That's inflammation plus aging. It's a chronic, low-grade inflammatory process that silently accelerates tissue degradation throughout your body, including your skin. A compromised gut allows inflammatory compounds and endotoxins into your bloodstream. These then circulate throughout your body, eventually reaching the skin. Here, they can trigger collagen degradation, leading to wrinkles and a dull complexion. The old saying holds true: you cannot have clear, youthful skin with a leaky gut. This connection highlights the importance of gut health for outward vitality. The connection between your gut and skin is surprisingly deep, manifesting in various cutaneous manifestations of dysbiosis. Take acne vulgaris, for instance. It's often linked to gut imbalances that affect skin bacteria and inflammation. Psoriasis, a condition many seniors contend with, shows significantly lower gut diversity and is connected to specific inflammatory pathways. Even atopic dermatitis, or eczema, is associated with bacterial overgrowth in the gut. But here's the good news: specific probiotics, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, have shown promise in aiding prevention through immune regulation. It truly underscores that skin health starts from within. Now, let's discuss the hidden enemy lurking in many processed foods: emulsifiers. These common additives, like polysorbate 80, carboxymethylcellulose, and carrageenan, can physically strip away your gut's vital protective shield, the mucosal layer. They act almost like detergents, dissolving this crucial barrier. When this happens, bacteria can translocate, leading to chronic inflammation and metabolic endotoxemia. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods becomes even more critical when we understand how these hidden ingredients can compromise our internal defenses. The ketogenic diet has gained popularity, but it presents a keto paradox: medicine or poison. On the one hand, its benefits are significant. The ketone bodies produced, like beta-hydroxybutyrate, act as powerful anti-inflammatory agents, helping to heal the gut lining and promoting beneficial bacteria. However, the risk lies in low fiber intake. Many keto diets can starve the fiber-fermenting bacteria in your gut, leading to decreased production of vital short-chain fatty acids and potential dysbiosis. The solution is clean keto, ensuring your diet includes plenty of high fiber, low carb vegetables, and nuts. This approach helps maintain microbial diversity and truly unlocks the diet's potential for health. Fiber truly is fuel for your internal ecosystem, driving the production of SCFA, or short-chain fatty acids. When you consume non-digestible carbohydrates, that's fiber, your gut bacteria ferment them in the colon. This fermentation produces butyrate, propionate, and acetate. These aren't just byproducts, they're vital metabolites. Butyrate fuels your colon cells and helps prevent certain cancers. Propionate helps regulate satiety, and acetate provides energy for your peripheral tissues. The key is to target both insoluble and soluble fibers to maintain a healthy and diverse population of beneficial bacteria, keeping your gut robust and healthy. Let's turn our attention to a simple yet powerful therapeutic intervention: the walnut effect. Walnuts are remarkable because they increase the diversity of beneficial bacteria in your gut. They contain compounds called L-arginines, found in the skin of the walnut. Your gut bacteria convert these into potent anti-inflammatory and anti-aging compounds known as urolithins. These urolithins then protect against oxidative stress in both your gut and your brain. And as a bonus, walnuts are the only tree nut with a significant content of omega-3 fatty acids. Just a handful a day can truly nourish your inner garden and support graceful aging. When we talk about gut health, we often think of probiotics, but the landscape has evolved beyond probiotics to encompass the entire biotic spectrum. Prebiotics are the fertilizer, the food that feeds your resident good bacteria, found in things like walnuts, inulin, and FOS. Probiotics are the seeds, the live microorganisms themselves, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, and their efficacy is very strain-specific. But the exciting new frontier is postbiotics, the harvest. These are the bioactive compounds produced by bacteria, such as the SCFA we discussed, and urolithins. Postbiotics are now being used in skincare and supplements, delivering the benefits without the need for live bacteria, offering exciting avenues for both skin and systemic health. Looking ahead, the future precision microbiome therapeutics promises revolutionary approaches to health. Fecal microbiota transplants, or FMT, are already resetting gut ecosystems for severe C. diff infections, and trials are expanding to conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes. Next-gen probiotics are moving beyond broad-spectrum supplements to using specific anaerobic commensals as pharmaceutical-grade drugs for targeted metabolic health. And Multi-Omics, combining metagenomics and metabolomics, is taking us from guesswork to engineering truly personalized medical protocols, tailoring treatments based on your unique microbial fingerprint. This is where cutting-edge science meets individual well-being. So, what does this mean for you? Here's the Holobiont Protocol: actionable steps you can take. First, eliminate harmful elements. Avoid emulsifiers like polysorbate 80, CMC, and carrageenan to protect your crucial mucus layer. Also, cut back on excess sucrose to break that sugar craving cycle we discussed. Second, incorporate beneficial foods. Make walnuts a daily habit for those powerful urolithins. Choose clean keto fats like avocado and polyphenol-rich olive oil. Ensure you get diverse fibers from artichokes, chia, and flax seeds to feed your beneficial bifidobacterium. And embrace fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi as natural symbiotics. Finally, monitor your progress. Use your skin clarity and digestive comfort as proxies for systemic inflammation, listening to the signals your body sends. In closing, remember this profound truth: tending the inner garden. We are not just individuals, we are vast, interconnected ecosystems. True health isn't about treating isolated symptoms, it's about maintaining the delicate balance of this remarkable holobiont within you. By understanding and nurturing your microbiome, you're not just supporting a part of yourself, you're nourishing your entire being. So, I encourage you, feed your second self to heal your whole self. Thank you.